Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to change the playing media notification settings on Google Chrome. This updated guide will help you customize your experience and manage those notifications effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your Applications menu. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This is your gateway to accessing various settings. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust several options related to your browsing experience. Now, scroll down until you find the Notifications section. Click on it to enter the notification settings. Here, you'll see a list of different notification categories that you can manage. After entering the notification settings, look for Playing Media. This section allows you to control how Chrome handles notifications when media is playing in your browser. Click on it to access the specific settings for media playback notifications. Finally, it's time to make your changes. You can choose to enable or disable notifications for playing media according to your preferences. If you want to be notified when media is playing, toggle the setting to on. If you'd rather not receive these interruptions, switch it to off. Remember to save any changes you make before exiting the settings page. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize your playing media notifications in Google Chrome. Whether you prefer constant updates or a more streamlined browsing experience, managing these settings puts you in control. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.